Are you looking for OSHA Forklift Train the Trainer classes? If so, check out Forklift University. We have the most complete forklift and aerial lift train the trainer programs in the industry. And we come to your facility to train your people. Your trainers receive a full day of instruction and access to all our materials online 24/7, 365 days a year. And currently, we have more than 10 safety videos available for download, and we're adding more all the time. Plus, all your training materials are in Microsoft Word and can be edited and printed by you, so your training is custom to your company. We even have lift-specific materials and videos, so your training can be targeted to your operations. And we have materials and videos in Spanish to support your bilingual operators. So for the best Train the Trainer classes and materials, call Forklift University at 888-674-9992